Fatty liver reverses when you fix these five things, and three of them are already in your kitchen. Today, I'll show you exactly what to do. No vague advice, no confusion. In the next few minutes, you will learn why your liver stores fat and the five ways to directly reverse it. Fatty liver happens because your liver is getting more fuel than it can burn. एकदम सीधे शब्दों में समझते हैं ये किस किस कारण से हो सकता है ताकि हम इन्हें डायरेक्टली टारगेट कर सकें। पहला और सबसे कॉमन कारण है कंजम्पशन ऑफ एक्सेस शुगर एंड रिफाइंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स। दिस causes overproduction of insulin, which commands the liver to start making new fat within itself. Second reason is sitting for long hours after eating. When you sit for long hours, your muscles don't need the glucose coming from your food, and the liver is forced to store it as fat. Third reason is poor gut health. A weak gut leaks toxins which reach the liver via portal circulation, and this causes the liver to become inflamed. इन तीनों रीजंस में एक चीज कॉमन है, जब लिवर का वर्कलोड बढ़ जाता है वो फैट स्टोर करना शुरू कर देता है. Now I am going to tell you 5 steps to reverse your fatty liver. Step 3 is my favorite hack. Step 1. Stop the liver from making new fat. The biggest source of liver fat in Indians isn't oil, it is sugar and refined carbohydrates. They cause insulin spikes, and the insulin switches on new fat synthesis inside the liver. So, the rule is simple: no sugary drinks, no biscuits, bakery snacks, or packaged sweets. Replace packaged snacks with 4 to 6 almonds, roasted chana, a handful of peanuts, or a few pieces of coconut. This step alone reduces liver fat formation. Step 2. Add a gut healing, inflammation lowering fiber. When the gut becomes leaky, endotoxins reach the liver and trigger inflammation. An inflamed liver stores more fat. To heal your gut, add a soluble fiber like 1 bowl of dal daily. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in 1 glass of water and consume it in the morning. Have at least an apple or an orange or a guava every day. These foods heal the gut lining, reduce inflammation, and lighten the liver's workload. Step 3. Add a viscous fiber like isabgol or oats. This is the most underrated cure for fatty liver. विस्कस फाइबर यानी वो फाइबर जो ढेर सारा पानी अब्जॉर्ब करके आपके गट के अंदर एक जेल फॉर्म करता है. ये जेल आपके गट से शुगर का अब्जॉर्प्शन डिक्रीज करता है. दिस इन टर्न रिड्यूसेस इंसुलिन स्पाइक एंड डिक्रीजेस फैट प्रोडक्शन इनसाइड योर लिवर. टू ऐड विस्कस फाइबर टू योर डाइट, you can add 1 tablespoon of isabgol in 1 full glass of water and have it 15 minutes before your dinner. Or soak half to 1 cup of oats overnight and have it for your breakfast with nuts or a fruit. Step 4. Use your muscles after eating. Your muscles reduce 70 to 80% of the sugar after eating, not your liver. If you sit right after eating, your liver gets overloaded and starts storing the fat. You need to do this one simple thing. Take a 10 to 12-minute walk right after your heaviest meal. This alone reduces post-meal glucose and decreases the load on liver. बस थोड़ा सा मसल्स को काम पे लगाओ और लिवर की जान बचाओ. Step 5. Fix your meal timing. If you eat late, your liver is forced to store fat. You need to follow these 2 rules. Finish your dinner 2 to 3 hours before sleep. Maintain a 12-hour gap between your dinner and breakfast. मतलब अगर रात के 8 बजे डिनर कर रहे हो तो ब्रेकफास्ट सुबह के 8 बजे. This restores your liver's natural fat burning rhythm. So, a quick recap on how to reverse your fatty liver. Avoid sugar and refined carbohydrates. Add a gut healing fiber like dal, fruits, and chia seeds. Add a viscous fiber like isabgol and oats. Take a 10 to 12 minute walk after meals. Finish your dinner 2 to 3 hours before sleep and maintain a 12-hour overnight gap. These 5 steps work every single time. Start today and watch your liver change. मैं हूँ डॉक्टर हर्षिता भगत and you can message me on WhatsApp or Instagram for personalized guidance on fatty liver. Also, do not forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel for real science backed health tips that actually work.